Before the passage of the bill, Parliament conducted extensive public participation, received submissions from more than 170 organizations and over 100,000 individual citizens, and opened digital platforms for Kenyans to share their views and suggestions. Let me state clearly, this law does not raise taxes on ordinary Kenyans. Instead, it improves fairness by strengthening compliance, closing loopholes, and ensuring that every person and business pays what is lawfully due. We are pursuing tax avoidance, not taxpayers. Offshore schemes, not ordinary wages. And leakages, not livelihoods. Contrary to propaganda, misinformation, disinformation, and fake news, the government did not propose any taxes that were largely alleged.